What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we've been shopping. We've done a little AliExpress haul. I went ham actually. This was my birthday present, so I just got loads of cases. And also look what else I got for my birthday. I got a Tamagotchi, the Pom Pom Purin one. And how cute is my baby. So we're gonna unbox them all today, try them on, see which one we like the best. As I said, everything's from AliExpress apart from the case that I currently have on, which is from Amazon. I'm gonna take this off now, but I do actually really like this case. So let's see. This is the Z Flip 7 in black. I love it. It hasn't become my main phone simply because I'm so used to my iPhone that I can't get away from it. Where do we begin? Let's sort the mess out. I got 4 Sanrio cases, 1 Snoopy, 1 rilakkuma, 1 bear, and 1 Studio Ghibli. I'll show you this because I got this. I thought it was really cute. A little My Melody charm. How sweet is that? Let's go with the Totoro one first. It's so funny when they print it on the packaging. Anyways, so this one doesn't have a hinge protector, which I quite like because people are saying the hinge protectors are not good for the phone. I'm not really sure. It didn't come with anything else, but you can attach something here. So that is what it looks like. It's quite nice. Like it. On to the next one. I like the feel of it. Right, so next up, let's try on this rilakkuma one. So this one came with a pop socket, which is nice, and it came with like a wrist strap. Although this one comes with, this one's like a hard case, and it's not really a hinge protector, but there's something there. So it's very cute. I used to love rocking a pop socket. And that's it from the front. I do really like it. Although some of these cases do push the screen protector off, which is a bit annoying in the corner. So let's take that one off. Oh. And then let's try the bear one on. This one does have a hinge protector, although it seems like you don't have to wear it. This again is a hard case, a snack case. Oh, this is the one where you put it inside and you dangle it. So it's got a wrist strap, but you meant to place it in, and I forgot, so yeah. And then this attaches on top. It's so cute. Let's see what it looks like when you open it. Yeah, this one just goes with the phone. Oh, that is adorable. That one was a lot harder to remove. Let's try this pink Snoopy one I got. Well, actually, it's Belle. It's Snoopy's sister. So you put this in there like that. What's that? And then you put the phone inside. So this one has a hinge protector as well, but you obviously don't have to have it. But that is it as a finished look. It's actually so cute. And then that's it opened. That's the front. It's sweet. It is very sweet. This is such a nice add-on. But yeah, very chunky. Very, very chunky. Right, moving on to the Sanrio cases. I got this My Melody one, which is just a clear one. But the attachment is adorable. Clips on like that. And this is all in one. I actually quite like the all-in-one case. I don't like those hard plastic ones that much because they're really difficult to get off. And then this is my pom-pom all-in-one that I got. And as you can see, that is stretched out. Oh, it's a hard case. So that's what it looks like. I'm not putting that on. So this one's more of a matte effect, which is actually quite nice. It came with a pom-pom and pop socket, and it also came with this, which is lovely, actually. So that one came with a pop socket and a wrist strap. Very clunky, bit of ASMR there, but that is it. The pop socket is really weak, as you can see, kind of just comes straight off. Very cute. I love these just because you can put them on any phone. I've got one on my phone right now. I don't know if you can see it. It's a cinema one my sister made me. Oh no, it's getting dirty. I'll have to clean them later. But I actually really like the wrist straps that just go in the phone like this. Okay, 2 left. We have this white Hello Kitty one. It's like a hard plastic white one. And it also came with a attachment. Oh. Looks like that. So that clips on there. And that's how it would look. And then the top bit is just hard white case. It's actually a really crisp look. I don't know how long it would stay clean for. Yeah, it's nice. The last case that I got was this pom-pom all-in-one. Actually, tell a lie. Sanrio one. It's got everyone on it. Let me know your favourite Sanrio characters. Pom-pom is my favourite because he reminds me of my dog. But I also love Cinnamoroll, my Melody. I love them all. This one came with a wrist strap. The regular one. I should have put this one on with it. That one would have looked cute. And then it has a clear top. And it has a, I guess, optional hinge protector, but that's what it looks like without. And that's what it looks like closed. And I quite like that one actually. Way better quality than this one. That one's so stretched. But yeah, I like this one. The nice thing is you can just mix and match all of these. So that's all the cases that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.